What's up, YouTube? I'm back with another video. It's another video for the channel, but it's a personal video. There ain't nothing that I'm gonna say. It's something that I'm gonna keep. I bought not this truck. I already had this. I bought this. I bought it as a roller. No motor, no train. Like, I think it was 2 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago. Well, today is Halloween, so 2 weeks ago from now. Yeah, and I ain't gonna upload these videos just yet. Not till I start getting rolling on them, really. So I'm gonna record some footage, and then it'll be later another date before I even upload these. That was the door that was on it. One thing wrong with that door, just had rust at the bottom, so I just replaced it with a good door. Paid, well, I ain't gonna tell you what I paid for just yet, but clean truck. I'm selling these wheels. Inside of the bed clean. I had that cover in it right there, but I took it out. But yeah, selling them wheels. I'm probably gonna paint it before I put the motor in. I got a color I'm gonna paint it. I'm not gonna say what color. Just gonna let y'all see. And let me see, the mirrors, they leaving. They gotta go. They too big. I mean, I just don't like them. I mean, some people might like them. I just don't like them. The bed coming off. The doors coming off. We gotta do the door jams. Let me see. I am putting rims on this truck. Probably do some 26s. Yeah, more than likely gonna be 26. And yeah. So, and y'all might not know, I went and bought a donor car for the motor and transmission. Car run good. It been wrecked. It was wrecked like hell on the other side. We paint this too, but for a friend of mine, CJ. CJ so smooth. But yeah, motor run. I started tearing it down yesterday. It's a 5.3. I was gonna do a 350. Well, I got a 355. I was gonna do a 355 in the truck. With some aluminum heads and a small cam, but I just don't want that old shit. I mean, I ain't gonna say. I mean, LS better. It's more reliable. And it ain't like I'm gonna be driving that truck. It's not like I'm gonna be driving that truck every day, but LS is a lot more reliable to me. That's just what I prefer. So I scoped this car right here, the whole car, for $475. And yes, it is wrecked pretty bad, but it's still crank up and running dry. So yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna do a BTR stage 3 cam on valve spring. Probably 3200 circuit deconverter. Just something to pep it up a little bit. Yeah. And for this car, this thing ain't got no parts salvageable. I think the hood's still good. I'm gonna take that mirror off, the grill, cause I do paint and body work. So if somebody come in and need some, I think that door good. That door ain't good. I mean, you got good door panels and stuff, but ain't nobody gonna want that mess. Yeah, so I might snatch that door off and the hood, but for the rest of the car, I think I'm gonna just scrap it. Cause as you can see, we got a lot more junk out here. I think them two cars over there getting scrapped, but I ain't sure. They ain't on mine, but yeah. So I ain't gonna leave it here long, cause I hate a lot of junk cars in the yard. And that stands out. So yeah, like I say, 5'3" going in the short bed. I'm gonna do a video on that truck. I am gonna do a video on the whole build of that truck. Even I'm gonna try to get much footage as I can with this truck. I mean, it's gonna be a while because, like I said, I'm trying to get another car to build for the channel. But yeah, I want to do that one first before I even start on this. Cause like I said, this one I'm gonna keep. I want to start putting car shows and stuff like that. But yeah, it's just something for me to get out the house. But yeah, like I said, it's just something for me to get out the house. But yeah, so yeah, let me start getting the rest of this stuff undone so I can pull this motor out. Then I'll get with you guys later. Peace. What's up? It's another day. I'm back on the C10. As y'all can see, I got a sunroof. I'm gonna take y'all along with me while I install this sunroof truck. But yeah, I'm gonna have to carry somewhere to get the headline in. Well, I'm gonna carry somewhere to get the interior done anyway. But yeah, I'm gonna drop a sunroof in here. I know everybody keep telling me don't do it, but it is what it is. I like it. I mean, that's all that matters. But yeah, I did take the wheels off because they're on the back of that truck, my truck. But I did take the wheels off to paint because I don't really care about them. They can get overspray on them, I don't care. But yeah, as of right now, gotta stay fueled up. But yeah, as of right now, I'm finna snatch this bed off. I took the bump off and I ain't putting that bump back on. I'm finna snatch the bed off. Probably gonna go ahead and cut these ugly tips off. I don't like that. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and snatch the bed off. I think I got a dent right there. I got a dent right here I gotta address. And I think the truth is no major dents really. Got some right here at the top of the bed, but it is what it is. I'm gonna get that straightened out. And let me see. This door got it got a little dent in it, but nothing I can't fit in this fender too. Yeah, fender got a dent. I don't think I'm gonna paint the hood. I'm gonna get a column Dutch hood to go on it. So yeah. And as far as the motor, transmission in the shop and the motor, I gotta get a converter and cam, and I got either I gotta send these line horns off to get it cut all the unnecessary wires that I don't need, or I can send that one off for like $150, $200 to get it cut for all the wires I don't need. But I can order a new one for $250. So I probably end up just ordering a new one because with that one, if I send it off, it's gonna be like a month before I get it back, and I really ain't got downtime like that. So yeah, I'm probably gonna be just ordering a new one. Just pay $250 for a new one, and then I gotta get the mounts, headers, and all that. Then I can stick the motor in. But yeah, for the snatch this bed off and start on these dents and stuff, and I'll get back with you guys. What's up, YouTube? I'm back with another video. As far as that new build I was gonna get, I'm gonna spoil it. It's supposed to be a 2012 Mustang, but I'm not gonna get it. I'm getting an S550. They're gonna be after I finish this truck though. I went ahead and bought this truck. But yeah, I'm gonna get a Mustang. It's just gonna be a new one. But yeah, anyway, I'll get to that when I get to that. But yeah, with this truck, I sanded the bed. Yeah, I sanded the bed. I'm gonna sand it. Oh yeah. And the truck is original paint on it because it go from red primer to metal. So just the original paint on this truck. But yeah, anyway, I'm sanding it down. I'm gonna prime it, do all the body work. I'm changing the color. I don't care for red. But yeah, I'm gonna sand it. Well, I sanded this side. I gotta sand this. I gotta sand this side of the bed, clean all that mess out. I sanded the other side. I think I got a dent right here. I'm finna address. Let me see. I'm gonna do the tailgate last, just because it's just a small panel. This side was pretty straight. I think he had a ding right there. You got a ding right there that I got to address. Yeah. Anyway, I'm gonna do all the body work that I can visually see. Then I'm gonna prime it, throw a guide coat on it, and then I'm gonna block it and see what I'm left with. If I got any dings or dent anything, I'm gonna fix it. Like I said, I want this thing as straight as possible because I do plan on putting that truck in car show. I'm planning on going to Stunt Fest 2020. Well, yeah, I know I'm going to Stunt Fest 2020. So Stunt Fest 2020, I'm gonna be there with the truck. And right now, what I'm finna do, I'm finna weld these little holes up. I guess it has bars on top of the bed. So I'm finna weld all them little holes up. I'm gonna pull that then I'll do some body work. But yeah, I'm gonna do all this. Then I'm gonna go work my way to the inside of the bed, clean all that mess out so I can sand it and get it ready to spray. And then this week I am gonna start on I did start on the truck already, but yeah, this week I'm gonna start putting that sunroof in. A lot of guys keep telling me don't do the sunroof, but hey, look, it is what it is. I like the sunroof. I mean, I know a lot of people say you put a sunroof in an old truck like that, it take away from the value of it, but I don't care because I like it. I mean, so I'm gonna do what I want to do anyway. So, but yeah, we're gonna put the sunroof in this week, and then I'm gonna start. Hopefully after I paint everything, I'm gonna go ahead and start putting the motor in. I'm gonna go ahead and change the cam. I don't know if I'm gonna do that on video or not. I still gotta get like mounts and all that junk before I put the motor in. So yeah. And then after I finish everything, I'm gonna get the wheels ordered. But yeah, I'm finna jump on this, go ahead and weld these holes up, grind it down, and I'll get back with y'all. What's up? I'm back. I got the body work somewhat done. I know it ain't. I know I'm gonna have to go back over it. But right now, I'm gonna get ready to wipe it down, wet the floor, and then I'm gonna go ahead and seal it and put epoxy on it. I think I'm gonna go ahead and do the bed as well. I might as well. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and shoot some primer on everything. Even I'm probably even gonna do the front. Might as well. But yeah, like I say, I know I'm gonna have to touch up on the body work just a little bit. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead, shoot some primer on this thing. And once I'm done with that, I'm gonna throw a guide coat on it. And then I'm gonna block it tomorrow and touch up with all I got to touch up tomorrow. And yeah, then hopefully I'll paint it either Thursday or Friday. So yeah. Yeah, see you guys after I prime it. What's up? I'm back. I finished the bed. Let y'all guys see it, check it out. I did do the inside. I was gonna bed liner, but like I said, I might as well just go ahead and doing paint it while I'm at it. But yeah, I ain't wet sanding and busted yet, but as you can see, got a little orange peel, but I'm gonna wet sand and buff it out. Straight though. That's what I was going for. Yeah, and I just threw that wire on the ground. I think I'm gonna just order one. I mean, you can buy one for like $250, so I'm gonna just buy one instead of sending it out and all getting it hacked for me to use it. So I'm gonna just end up buying one. I think it'll be better. But yeah, Here you go. Got a little orange peel, but like I said, I'm gonna get that out. Bed came out pretty good. Just a bed. I mean, inside the bed. But yeah, that's it. And like I say, stay tuned. The sunroof did not work, so I really don't know if I'm gonna put a sunroof in or not. Well, at least for now, I ain't really worried about it. So I ain't gonna do that next thing I'll be doing. I think I'm gonna snatch the 2 doors off. Go ahead and do the body work on it. Like I say, it had a dent. It had a dent right here, and I pulled it out with the stud gun. As you can see the little things, but and yeah, and I gotta figure out a way to get this off. So if y'all know how to do that, let me know. But yeah, I gotta fix that, fill in these holes because I ain't putting them big mirror back on it. See, I got a little dent right there. Ain't a dent, it's a ding. But yeah, I'm gonna get that straightened out. The rest of it look straight, but really ain't gonna know till I prime it. Put some dot coat on it and block it. That's the frame for the sunroof. I don't know if I'm gonna use it. I say it ain't work, so I ain't in no rush to do it. But yeah, this door right here. You ain't gonna see it on camera, but got like a little ding right there. And it got some body work to do at the bottom. And I can't handle it. I don't know who did this shit, but yep. Had a little dent right there. I just got that out. As you can see, I got all my junk out here on the ground. I ain't gonna worry about painting the hood because I'm going to get a new one tomorrow. Yeah. Like I say, I gotta fill in that hole. I don't know if the other side had a hole. Yeah. They got a hole, they got to put it out. I got to fill in that hole too, but I'm pulling them Silverado signs out. They old. They don't look good anymore. So I'll pull that junk off. Like I said, I ain't worried about painting the hood. I'm going to straighten out these 2 doors and that fender. That fender right here, I don't see no dents in it. But like I said, I won't know. So I prime it, throw some guide coat on it. But yeah. So stay tuned for the next video. I think the next video, probably I'm gonna be doing the doors. Let me see what I'm gonna be doing. I think I'm gonna do the cab last. So yeah, next video, probably the bed over there looking good. But yeah, next video, probably gonna be doing the doors, 2 doors and 2 fenders, and the hood. And I'm gonna take the 2 doors off and do it. I mean, I guess I'm gonna throw a tarp or something over the truck. So I really don't care if it rains there, to be honest, cause I'm putting new interior in. I mean, the interior is decent, but I gotta do carpet either way, cause it ripped. And stuff like that. So yeah, I really ain't worried about the interior. I'm gonna throw a tarp over either way. It ain't gonna stay like that for long, but yeah. So next thing I'll be doing 2 doors, 2 fenders, and the hood, and the cowl panel. So yeah, that'll be the next little project I'll be doing. That's gonna be the next video I'll do. And the thing for the next video, honestly, I ain't gonna break it up like that. I'm gonna do the next video gonna be the whole thing that get done. Put it like that. I ain't gonna put the bed on it just yet because I am lowering it. So I gotta anyway, I gotta put new hangers and stuff on it. So, and I gotta drop the tank because I'm going LS. I'm gonna have to, I don't know, I might do external pump outside the pump. I'm outside the tank. I don't know, y'all let me know on that. But yeah, guys said done LS swap. I know a lot of folks say they get the 87 tank that's already fuel injection and put a Walbro, I think 355 pump in the tank. And yeah, but I don't know if I'm gonna do all that because I keep ringing like every thread I pull up is something different. So I might just say put a external air motor pump on the outside. Just, you know, that'll be more than enough. And then yeah, I gotta do the frame. I'm gonna just pressure wash it, clean it real good, clean the ring. Yeah, and get all that straightened out. We'll get all that cleaned up, and I'm just painting it like a gloss black. I mean, ain't nothing that you really gonna see. Most of it you're gonna see just a rail. I'm putting new shots on it, so you can tell them had better days. But yeah, and I gotta get a dry shaft made. But yeah, like I say, next video gonna be me doing the cab of the truck. Well, actually the whole truck basically, put it like that, door jams and all. So appreciate y'all guys for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button, that subscribe, and like I say, see y'all in the next video.